Hey, it's Paul. In today's video I'm going to explain how you can check whether a number is a prime number or not in Python. So let's go. The basic idea is that we start off by defining a function. Let's call it isPrime, and this function takes a number as an input. So first of all we have to check if the number is less or equal to 1. If it is, then it won't be a prime number, therefore we can just return false. If the number is greater than 1, there's a chance that it is a prime number. Therefore we use a for loop for I in range, and we iterate from 2 to the square root of the given number. For that we can just write number to the power of 0.5, and we have to cast this number into an integer, and at the end we also have to add 1, so that we also include the square root in our iterations. Of course, you could also iterate from 2 to the number itself minus 1, but what we do right here is just for optimization purposes, because if a number has a divisor larger than its square root, this means that it also must have a corresponding divisor smaller than its square root. So for us there really isn't a reason to iterate further than the square root of the given number. And inside of the loop we can use the modulo operators, so we can write if number %i equals 0. So here we basically check if the number is divisible by the current divisor, and if it is, then it means that the number is not a prime number, therefore we return false. But if the loop completes without finding any divisors, it means that the number is indeed a prime number, and therefore we can return true. And now we can go ahead and call the isPrime function. So we can, for example, pass the number 13, and we get the value true back because 13 is indeed a prime number. If we do the same thing, for example with let's say 21, which is not a prime number, we get the value false. So you can see it's actually very easy to check if a number is a prime number or not. If you've learned anything new, feel free to like, and see you in the next video. Bye.